I have a pair of alligator skin. They're from the 60s. They're a bit scruffy. I acquired them recently, a few months ago. To be honest, I've not even wiped them down with a damp cloth. They're quite dirty, quite scruffy. I'm just going to be tidying them up slightly. First job I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them, strip all. I don't know what's on there. It could be old boot polish. Who knows what's on there? Whatever's on there has to come off. It has to be thoroughly cleaned. And I'll be there's a couple of minor cracks. They look catastrophic. Let me just bring it closer to the lens. Just in here we can see there's it looks like a horrendous crack. It does go right the way through the skin. If I've got a pair of scissors, in fact, I'll be able to just shove it in. It goes right in. It looks catastrophic, but it's not the end of the world. That's quite an easy repair, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. It's similar on the other shoe. Let's just bring it quite close and focus. I'm not sure whether it's actually gone through. Yes, it has. The scissors go right in here, look. It looks like a nightmare. Honestly, truly, it's not. You'll be surprised how easy that is to repair, and it'll be almost invisible, and it'll be permanent. It'll be very, very strong. I'll do that in the next video. This one I need to clean them. Get these ridiculous trees out. They're not much good. Not for the purposes here. They're better than nothing, but I want to use a nice fixed tree. This is adjustable. In fact, let's get the laces out. They really are quite dirty. I'm going to be cleaning these shoes just with methylated spirit, nothing more. Methylated spirit on cotton wool. I'm going to pop a pair of gloves on. I don't really want the spirit on my skin, and I really want to be putting a towel over my trousers. It's whatever's on the skins does need to come off, and I also want to clean them inside as well. They are second-hand. I've not worn them. I never wear any second-hand garment before thoroughly cleaning it and disinfecting it and sanitizing it. So just any alcohol-based solution will work very well. And I always use just cotton wool, the type of things that you would use to remove makeup with, and methylated spirit. I do have a couple of different alcohol-based products, so let's just do them inside first. Completely soak the pad and just do the whole inside, right into the toe area, all of the insides. It's just skin inside. Who knows what's on there? It might not be very clean, but make sure it's completely clean. I'll do a slightly better job. I just want to give you a sense on camera of what's involved here, and pop the tree in. This one's adjustable, so let's make that slightly. I want it very tight fit. Somebody's coming into the shop, so the doorbell will ring.
All right.
Let me just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Within 1 minute, and just carry on with methylated spirit. Remove, and yeah, there's definitely polish on there. There's black residue on the pad. Yeah, so this will take some time. It might take 15 minutes or so, but that's literally all I use. And the pad really shouldn't be covered in polish. These should be moisturised only, moisturised and buffed. And I'll spend about 15 minutes, thoroughly moisturise them afterwards, after they've been repaired. But the first things first, you've got to get them clean. So, like I say, it'll take about 10 or 15 minutes per shoe. It does make the skin slightly dry, but nothing to worry about. We can easily deal with it afterwards. We've got to get them clean. So I'm going to stop this video here. I'll keep a series of short videos, and when this one's clean, I'll do the other one. When they're both clean and dry, I'll show you how to repair this cracked and damaged area.